Hi, my name's Jack, and I'm going to do a review of the Batman Joker helicopter chase. First, we will show the minifigures. First, here I have Joker. Joker has a little gun, and the Joker has a white head instead of a normal one. And Joker has green hair and as well purple pants and a purple shirt. Now we will go to, I don't know his name.
Baddie.
This is a baddie. I don't know his name, so I'll just call him Baddie. He doesn't have much. He has a green jacket and purple pants and a black hat and black gloves, and now we go to Batman. He has a cape and a Batman and a helmet, and he has a white strap on top of his eyes, so then people doesn't know what his normal name is, and he's in a costume and black pants. Now I'll film the Batman ship. It has two missiles on the wing, and they go up and down, and they shoot like it. And put them back in. They shoot from here and here. And now it has a little flippy thing here, and you can see that there's a push down thing, and there's a thing here, a bomb here, and then this pushes down the bomb, and this attaches to that, and that pushes it down the floor down. That's it of the Batwing. Now we go into Joker helicopter. It's a helicopter, so as this, so it has a special piece. It has 3 rows of things, and it can turn on like this. That way. And now it has a ladder for Joker to go on, and Baddie drives it, and now we go into the back. There's a little propeller here, and the big propeller is the one that makes it fly in. There's little pushes here, and that makes these little pushes like these little missiles shoot like this. Now, and then there's a big pushing bit for it, and I'll just show what bit it goes. That bit's and this big push is for this one. You push it really hard and it just shoots out. That's the end of the Joker helicopter. Thanks for watching my review, and don't forget to subscribe.